grab your smartphone and let's get started. I'll walk you through the steps on how to grant someone page access to your Facebook business page. First off, you want to open the Facebook app and you want to make sure that you are logged in with the profile that you want to provide access to. You can check the icon in the bottom right. We are logged in, so we're going to click on that. Now we're going to click in the cog icon in the top right. That's going to open up our settings menu, and we're going to scroll down until in the second section we see the flag that says page setup. We're going to click on that. Now we're going to see right here at the top page access. I'm going to select that. And now what we're going to see at the very top, it says people with Facebook access. We want to click add new next to that. This is all boilerplate, so just click next. Now I know that there is an individual out there who has the same exact name as me without the S at the end. So we'll pick on him for this example. We're going to select him. Now we do want to scroll down to the very bottom, and this is important. Toggle on this switch that says allow this person to have full control. And once you've done that, click give access and you're done.